Hello students, welcome back. So we are doing exercise 22b from trigonometry, isn't it? And we have completed till question number 23 in our previous video. So today we'll start right from question number 24. Okay, so let's begin. So this is question number 1 of 24. If 2 sin x equals to root 3, this is the given condition. We are asked to find the value of 1 of 24. Okay, 4 sin cube x minus 3 sin x. Okay, let us do this question. Since given condition 2 sin x equals to root 3, isn't it? 2 sin x equals to root 3, or we can write this as sin x equals to root 3. This 2 goes to the denominator by cross multiplication, isn't it? So sin x is root 3 upon 2. Okay, we don't need to find base here. This is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse. Some people have sin theta means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular is root 3, hypotenuse is 2. Okay, but we don't need to find base here because we are asked to find the value of sin x, isn't it? If we are asked to find the value of cos x in the next question, we will find base at that time. Okay, right now we just put the value of sin x. So we are asked to find the value of 4 sin cube x minus 3 sin x, isn't it? Or not, or equal to 4 sin x is root 3 upon 2. So we write root 3 upon 2. So we have cube here. So let's put cube. Okay, minus 3 sin x is root 3 upon 2. Sin x is root 3 upon 2. Root 3 upon 2. Now this gives us 4 into root 3 cube means root 3 into root 3 into root 3. Root 3 multiplied 3 times. Root 3 cube means, so root 3 into root 3, 3 into this root 3. Okay, root 3 into root 3 is 3, and this root 3 comes here. So root 3 cube means 3 root 3 upon 2 cube means 8, isn't it? 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Okay, minus 3 root 3 upon 2. So 4 1 the 4, 4 2 the 8, isn't it? So in the numerator we have 1 into 3 root 3, 3 root 3. In the denominator we have 2 minus 3 root 3 upon 2, 3 root 3 upon 2. So 3 root 3 upon 2 minus 3 root 3 upon 2. Equal number, opposite sign. This number has minus sign, this number has plus sign, isn't it? So 3 root 3 upon 2 minus 3 root 3 upon 2 gives us 0. So this is the answer for question number 1 of 24. Let us do question number 2. Okay, 24. So 2 sin x equals to root 3. This is the given condition, and we are asked to find the value of this expression. Okay, let us use the given condition. 2 sin x equals to root 3, or we can write this as sin x equals to root 3. This 2 goes to the denominator by cross multiplication, isn't it? Now sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, so this is P, this is H. Okay, now we have perpendicular, we have hypotenuse, now we need base, isn't it? So perpendicular is root 3, hypotenuse is 2, and base is unknown to us. Let us find base because we need base while finding the value of cos x, isn't it? Cos theta means curly brown here, base upon hypotenuse. Okay, applying Pythagoras theorem, b square equals to h square minus p square, or b square equals to what is h? H is 2. H is 2. Okay, 2 square minus what is p? P is root 3. Root 3 squared, or b squared equals to 2 squared is 4 minus root 3 squared is 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. b equals to 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, let's take this square to the right hand side, becomes root. Therefore b equals to root under 1 means 1. Okay, so base is 1, isn't it? The value of base we found 1. Now let us find the value of this expression. Since 3 cos x minus 4 cos cube x, isn't it? Cos cube x. So 3, what is cos x? Cos x means curly brown hair, base upon hypotenuse. What is base? Base is 1, hypotenuse is 2. Base upon hypotenuse minus 4 cos cube x. So base is 1, hypotenuse is 2. Base is 1, hypotenuse is 2. Cube means we need to put cube, okay? So 3 into 1 is 3 upon 2 minus 1 cube is 1. 1 cubed is 1 into 1 into 1, isn't it? 1 cubed is 1 into 1 into 1. Excuse me. 1 cubed is 1 into 1 into 1. So 1 into 4 is 4. 2 cubed means 2 into 2 into 2. So 8. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Okay. This cube applies to both the numerator and the denominator. 1 cube is 1 into 4 is 4. 2 cubed is 8. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now we have 3 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2, isn't it? So 2, 2, same number. We take the LCM, 2. 2 1s are 2. That 1 into 3 is 3. Minus 2 1s are 2. That 1 into 1 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay. This 2 is in the denominator. 2 and 2 cancels out. So we have 1, isn't it? 1 upon 1 means 1. So this is the answer for question number 2. Okay. The value of 3 cos x minus 4 cos cube x equals to 1. Let us do the next question. To question number 25. If sin a equals to root 3 upon 2 and cos b equals to root 3 upon 2, find the value of tan a minus tan b, 1 plus tan a times tan b, isn't it? So the value of sin a is given to us root 3 upon 2. Here the angle is a, and the value of cos b is root 3 upon 2. Here the angle is b. Angles are different, isn't it? So we need to find differently, okay? Since first condition, sin a equals to root 3 by 2. Sin a equals to root 3 by 2, okay? So this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse. Some people have. Let us find base, okay? So applying Pythagoras theorem, base square equals to hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. Or this is Pythagoras theorem, b square equals to what is h? H is 2. 2 square minus what is p? P is root 3. Root 3 squared. Or b squared equals to 2 squared means 4 minus root 3 squared means 3. Or b equals to 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, we take this square to the right hand side, root under 1. Or b equals to 1. So when the angle is a, at that time perpendicular is root 3, hypotenuse is 2, and base is 1. Okay, now when the angle is b, let us find the values of perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. Okay, so since cos b equals to root 3 by 2, so this is base upon hypotenuse. So we need perpendicular here, isn't it? Applying Pythagoras theorem, since perpendicular square equals to h square minus b square, or perpendicular square equals to what is h? H is 2. 2 square minus what is b? Root 3 square. Okay, or perpendicular square equals to 2 squared is 4 minus root 3 square is 3. Or p equals to 4 minus 3 is 1. We take this square to the right hand side, becomes root under, or p equals to 1. So we have perpendicular 1 and hypotenuse 2, base root 3 when angle is b. Okay, now let us find the value of the given expression, tan a minus tan b, 1 plus tan a tan b. Since tan a minus tan b, 1 plus tan a tan b. So what is tan a? Tan theta means perpendicular upon base for angle a. Okay, for angle a, perpendicular upon base. So for angle a, perpendicular is root 3. Perpendicular is root 3. Perpendicular is root 3 upon base is 1 minus tan b. angle is B, perpendicular upon base. Tan B means perpendicular upon base. So what is perpendicular? Perpendicular is 1 upon base is root 3, isn't it? Base is root 3 whole upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. So for angle A, tan A means perpendicular upon base, so perpendicular is root 3 upon base is 1 for angle A, okay? And again tan B for angle B, perpendicular is 1 upon base is root 3, base is root 3. So we can cancel this root 3 and root 3 because there is a multiplication sign in between them, and root 3 is in the numerator, this root 3 is in the denominator. So let us cancel this, okay? Let me continue here. So we have 1 and root 3 in the denominator, okay? So the LCM of 1 and root 3 is root 3, isn't it? Root 3. So 1 into root 3 gives us this root 3, that root 3 into root 3, 3. Minus root 3 into 1 gives us this root 3, so 1 into 1, 1 whole upon, in the denominator we have 1 plus 1 upon 1 into 1 upon 1, isn't it? So 1 upon 1 is 1 into 1 upon 1 is 1, 1 into 1 gives us 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, isn't it? So 2, okay? 2 means 2 upon 1, isn't it? So we have 3 minus 1, that is 2 upon root 3 into this 1 goes to the numerator and this 2 comes down to the denominator. 2 and 2 cancels out, so we have 1 upon root 3. So this is the answer for this expression, okay? The value of this expression, tan A minus tan B, 1 plus tan A tan B is 1 upon root 3. But since root is in the denominator, we need to rationalize this and eliminate root from the denominator, okay? So what we do is multiply and divide by root 3. 1 into root 3 gives us root 3, and in the denominator root 3 into root 3 means 3. So this is the answer for this expression, okay? I hope you got this. Now let us do the next question. Number 26, use the informations given in the following figure to evaluate this, okay? 10 upon sin x plus 6 upon sin y minus 6 cot y. So we are provided with this figure, triangle ABC, okay? BC is given to us 21, AC is given to us 20, A, let us name this is D, okay? AD is 12, and this angle is X and this angle is Y, okay? So let us find DC first. BC is given to us 21, okay? Now let us find DC. So we have right angle triangle ADC, isn't it? You can see a right angle triangle ADC, right angle triangle D. We have perpendicular AD, we have hypotenuse AC, we can find base DC by applying Pythagoras theorem, isn't it? In triangle ADC, okay, ADC, AC is 20, AC is hypotenuse 20, AD is 12, AD perpendicular is 12, and DC is unknown to us. DC equals to question mark, unknown to us, isn't it? DC is base. So applying Pythagoras theorem, DC square, base square equals to hypotenuse square, that is at AC square, okay? AC is the hypotenuse, isn't it? AC square minus perpendicular AD square, AD squared, or DC squared equals to, what is AC? AC is 20, so 20 squared minus AD is 12 squared, or DC squared equals to 20 squared is 2 squared is 4, single 0 squared is double 0, okay, minus 12 squared is 144, 12 is 144, or DC equals to, so 400 minus 144, isn't it? 10 minus 4 is 6, okay, this becomes 9, 9 minus 4 is 5, this is 3 minus 1 is 2. Now we take this square to the right hand side, becomes root under, isn't it? Therefore, DC equals to 256. Root under 256 means 256. So we make the pair from the last. 1, 1 the 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. We bring this 1 here and add up. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now we bring this 56. Okay. Now we have two options, either 6 or 4, because 4 fours also gives us 16. 6 6 also gives us 36. 6 in the last digit, okay, in the unit place. So if we choose 4, then 4 fours are 16. Again 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. That is not 15, isn't it? So we choose 6. Here we put 6. 6 6 are 36. 3 in hand. 6 2s are 12, plus 3 is 15. So the square root of 256 is 16. Okay. So we found DC at 16, isn't it? DC is 16. Now we can find BD. Okay. So since BD equals to BC minus DC. Okay, total BC minus DC gives us BD. Total BC minus DC gives us BD, isn't it? So BD equals to BC minus DC, or BD equals to, what is BC? BC is 21 minus what is DC? DC is 16, or BD equals to 21 minus 16 is 11 minus 6 is 5, isn't it? And this becomes 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So BD is 5. BD is 5. Okay. Now we have AD, isn't it? And we have BD. Let us find AB. In triangle ABD, you can see this is 90 degree. Base is 5, perpendicular is 12, AD is 12, base BD is 5. So we can find hypotenuse AB, isn't it? In right angle triangle ABD. Hypotenuse AB square equals to, since this is Pythagoras theorem, okay? AB square equals to perpendicular square AD square plus base square BD squared, isn't it? AB squared equals to, what is AD? AD is 12, isn't it? So 12 squared plus what is BD? BD is 5. 5 squared, or AB squared equals to 12 squared is 144 plus 5 squared is 25, or AB equals to 4 plus 5 is 9, 4 plus 2 is 6. This one we write here. Now we take this square to the right hand side, becomes root under, or AB equals to root under 169 means 13. 13 13s are 169. So we found AB also. Okay, this is 13. Now please take the screenshot. I'm erasing this. Okay. Now we can find the value of this expression. Now we have 10 upon sine x plus 6 upon sine y, isn't it? So 10 upon sine x means some people have. So we are talking about this angle. When we talk about this angle in triangle ABD, so perpendicular becomes this, base becomes this, and this is hypotenuse, isn't it? So when we talk about this angle, some people have perpendicular is BD. Perpendicular is BD. BD is 5 upon hypotenuse is AB. AB is 13. Okay, plus 6 upon sine y. So we are talking about this angle. When we talk about this angle, perpendicular is AD and hypotenuse is AC, isn't it? So some people have perpendicular is 12 upon hypotenuse is 20. Okay, perpendicular is 12, hypotenuse is 20. When we talk about this angle, because DC will become base, minus 6 cot y. So again this angle, isn't it? Cot theta means base upon perpendicular. So what is base? Base is DC. DC is 16. 16 upon what is perpendicular? Perpendicular is 12. So 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, isn't it? Let me write here. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Now we have 10 into this 13 goes to the numerator, okay? Divided by 5 plus 6 into this 20 goes to the numerator, divided by 12, this 12 minus 8, because everything is cancelled, we have 8 here. So 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 10s are 20. So 2 13s are 26 plus 1 into 10, 10 minus 8, isn't it? So 26 and 10 both are positive. Let us add them. 26 plus 10 is 36, isn't it? Minus 8. So let us subtract this 8. 16 minus 8 is 8. This 3 becomes 2. 28, isn't it? So this is the answer for question number 26. Okay, this much for today. Thank you so much. Stay connected and practice well. Okay, I'll upload the rest of the questions in the next video. Thank you so much.